Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alex Delgado Forever. Today, I'm going to show you how I create my own thumbnails from Photoshop. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm in Photoshop. We gotta click New File. Go to Custom 1920 by 1080. And then we go to Photoshop Thumbnail on the search bar, preset details, and then settings are looking good, so click create, and then I'm gonna go to the paint bucket tool because my color is switched to light blue, then click this here, and then we go to blending options and go to gradient overlay. It's not the gradient we want, so click blues, and let's see, what can we work with here? Let's try this one. I think this looks good. Now we can go to radial. So we want to reverse that. There, looks good. And then click OK. Now we can go to my picture, click open. There you go. And now I gotta mask myself and put it into that picture. I'll show you what I mean. So we go to the quick selection tool, and let me make this bigger. I'll just cover myself in there. Yep, it looks good for now. Just click this. See, now I'm in PG. So let me click here and drag it right into this picture. I'll see my picture's big, so I gotta click edit and go to free transform. Oh, this is gonna take a while because my picture is big. So big. Oh, there we go. Well, let me resize down a little bit more. And a little bit more. Let's make something like this. So I need to learn how to work on the hair a little bit more because I still see some white in there. But it's a beginner. I'm really trying. So that's that. So now we can go to place embedded and click PNG files, and we go to the Photoshop layer. Place that. Got the Photoshop logo, and what I can do is I can like turn it just like this, make it something pop up like that, and then I'm gonna put in the text. Now we can add something like how I create my thumbnails text, but I need to resize this first. Let's see. Oh. I'm sorry, let me try again. I don't know what happened. Let's see, let's try 200. Yep, that works. And then we type how I create my thumbnails. Oh, hold on, sorry. Guess that's a bit big. Let's try 100. Okay, yep, still a bit small, but it's a starter. How I create my thumbnails. There. Now I need to make this darker so we can see. There. It will stand out more. There. Now we can add a stroke to it. So go to blending options and click stroke. Now we can make this lighter stroke, something like that. And we need to resize the stroke a little bit more. There. That works. We actually do need to resize this more so I can... Sorry guys. There. 150 point text font so we can see it better. There. Okay, so that is it for now, guys. That is how I create my thumbnails. Still, it needs a little practice, but I'm really trying. It's beginner's luck. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any of my other videos. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at AlexDelgado780. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a nice time. Bye.